Alright guys, since the March for Life is coming up, let's explain Dobbs v. Jackson in under 3 minutes.
Roe v. Wade was a Supreme Court case decided in 1973 that with Doe v. Volton and Planned Parenthood v. Casey allowed abortions all the way up until birth. Zooming ahead to 2018, Mississippi, encouraged by the confirmation of hundreds of pro-life judges and justices from the Trump administration, created a law against abortions. The Mississippi Gestational Act prevents abortions up to the 15-week gestational mark, with only exceptions for serious risk of death for the mother or severe fetal abnormality.
Basically, the mother has to be about to die or the child has to be severely deformed.
The law passed in the state and was challenged by Jackson Women's Health Organization, literally the only abortion facility in Mississippi. The Gestational Act was blocked by 2 lower federal courts before being brought before the Supreme Court. It is extremely important to note this case directly challenges Roe v. Wade, so if SCOTUS decides in our favor, it's entirely possible Roe could be gone. Back to the case, the defendant Dobbs actually refers to Mr. Thomas Dobbs, who is the state health officer for Mississippi. So basically, he would be in charge of executing the Gestational Act. This case held oral arguments on December 1st, 2021, with Solicitor General Scott Stewart and Attorney General Lynn Fitch arguing for the state of Mississippi. Ms. Fitch is also the first woman Attorney General of Mississippi. Also, this is where I met her the night before the oral arguments, though the picture is a tad blurry. I was actually with Students for Life when we slept over the night before and was at the rally the day of.
Most of the justices seem to really like the pro-life argument, which, to be honest, is amazing. This is why it's so important to vote in pro-life candidates who will nominate pro-life justices and judges. Justices like Barrett, Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, Roberts, Thomas, not her, Alito. It is only because of this that we are honestly being able to protect life in law. Of course, this was only the oral arguments in December, and the actual decision won't come until the spring, like June or July, so we'll have to wait until we get a decision on the case until then. In the meantime, I don't know, just go outside, take some time, pray. I mean, I know you should probably stop scrolling TikTok since you've been doing it for like 2 or 3 minutes.